It's a walking meditation story. First person that really exposed me to Buddhist philosophy was named Dr. Jim Boyd at Colorado State University. And he had been studying Buddhism for many, many years and had a practice of sitting meditation. And one year he had a Buddhist master over from India, and that Buddhist master came and sat in his office. That master said, "Show me your practice." So Jim Boyd dutifully sat cross-legged, erected his posture, slightly closed his eyes, began to breathe. It was just getting started. And the Buddhist master said, "Okay, I've seen enough, stand up." And Jim Boyd's like, but I was just getting started. And the meditation master says, "How's this practice working for you?" And Jim Boyd says, it's okay, I guess. And the meditation master goes, "Yeah, exactly. It's not working very well for you at all. Your mind is way too active to get a lot out of sitting meditation. Let's go. We're going for a walk." He instructed him on walking meditation, where you pay attention to your feet, do everything you would do in a meditation practice, but you let the rhythm and movement of walking help ground your overly active mind. Jim Boyd said he made more progress in meditation in those 5 minutes with that meditation instructor than he had in 10 years of practice before that.